everybody, I'm Ashley and this is a product introduction video for Celebrating You Stamp and Die Collection for Ink2Paper's May 2019 release. This die collection and the stamp set were illustrated by Jennifer Campbell. This stamp set retails for $25 and comes packaged in our Hold and Fold storage case. You open it up like this and then you would remove the two 4x6 sheets. I have included a piece of cardstock in mine. There's an option for you to do that. You don't have to. And it doesn't come that way, but it does come with the label attached to it, a carrier sheet that protects the stamps. And all you would do is remove whatever stamp you want to choose to work with and then add it to an acrylic block, add some ink, and get to stamping. Okay? So there are so many different options on this great stamp set here. It's a stamp set that basically lets you celebrate your loved ones on so many different occasions. And we all know balloons never go out of style, and they're great for celebrating. And this set has a variety of balloon options and styles for you to actually choose from. There you can create balloon bouquets. You can do individual balloons, full backgrounds with this set. You can make it as unique as you want or to be, or no card has to be the same. You can make it super simple. The sentiments in this set are also very versatile and you can use them on so many different occasions. So basically you just need to make sure you have something to celebrate for and just start creating. So let's go over some of the sentiments. You have congrats, best wishes, celebrate, hooray, and happy birthday. So you get those sentiments there. You get an outline version of the balloons. You have a circle, you have like an oval, oblong, you have a heart shape, and then you have a solid image that pairs with each of the shapes. And then you also get a detailed watercolor image. You don't have to use all three. You can choose to use one or two or all three. You also have a lot of different string options. You have straight string, a little bit of a wavy string, a medium-sized curly string, a very short string, and a little bit of a streamer here, and a full fringe here. You also have a couple of dots in this set that go great for creating confetti in the actual balloons or polka dots on your card. And then you have a large and a small bow. So lots of different great options there. This set also you can get separately. I have stored in my Hold and Fold here on my magnet sheet is the coordinating dies. And you can get the coordinating dies for $11 separately. There are 9 wired dies that come just like this with the different shaped balloons, the circle, the heart, and the oblong. You also have the fringe, the 2 bows, and the a couple of string options here as well. So don't forget the dies that coordinate with this. Here are some of the die cuts and how they look, and they look coordinated. This is one of my favorite ways to use this stamp set, and it's to die cut the balloon shape, add an outline, and then use a little bit of water with a little bit of ink to get that watercolor balloon look. And you can do that directly with stamping on a project, not actually on the die cut, and it looks great too. You can also just stamp directly onto an actual color card stock. It works fine. You can just stamp just the watercolor image as an option. So many different things. You can just stamp the solid image. This is just a yellow solid balloon there. So lots of things you can do. Here is a finished card of an idea of what you can do. I used the 2 dot sizes to create a little bit of a confetti background, and I chose just to create a balloon bouquet or a balloon arrangement with just the heart-shaped balloons. Alright, so really cool way to do it. This is my favorite again with that watercolor look. I didn't even use the outline on this one like I did here, and I think like that a little bit better. Here is how it looks with that sentiment stamped, and the strings are on here with a little bit of a bow die cut. So very beautiful card, very cool way you can do this. Lots of different options. So I hope you enjoyed this product introduction video for Celebrating You Stamp and Die Collection. But ultimately, I hope you find some great occasions to celebrate and create great projects with this balloon set.